Alright, YouTube subscribers. My name is Ray Sean, known as Ray Nizzle 1999 on TikTok, also known as Ray Nizzle on Facebook, and Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my 52-inch polished brass SMC Emperor Flush ceiling fan. Now, this is another ceiling fan that I pulled out of the same house as my other SMC Emperor ceiling fan that I pulled out back in late summer 2025. And this the blade set right here. Now this one is a earlier model of the SMC Emperor ceiling fan. Now the coincidence about this fan is that this ceiling fan is also dated 1988, and it was made in the same year that the other one got. But for this one actually uses a black version of the UFO motor that a lot of SMC Emperor ceiling fan from the 80s will use. So I believe maybe like around the fourth quarter of 87 all the way till about the fourth quarter of 88, this one used the black version of the UFO motor. Because if the ceiling fan would have been from 87 or 86 or even earlier than that, the motor on the ceiling fan would have been a brown motor instead of the black and stuff. It'd still be like a UFO shaped motor, but the motor would have been black. No, the motor would have been brown instead of black. And I believe the one with the brown motor was made in Hong Kong, while the later model with the black motor was made in China. But I forgot how it goes. But other than that, now this particular one is dated May of 1988, while the other one I got is dated October of 1988. Now this fan looked like that it either uses a 172 or a 188 millimeter motor, while this other SMC Emperor ceiling fan uses a 153 millimeter motor. And then as you can see that this light kit, now this light kit is the type of light kit, it just needs a little fixing and stuff, so it's not just as bad as the other one on the other SMC Emperor I had it fixed. And then as you can see that it clearly came as is and stuff. No glow came with the fan, but I'm not too worried about it because I can always find another glow for the ceiling fan anyway and stuff. So I'm not too worried about it for right now, so that's not my main thing and stuff. So other than that, it ain't really nothing else I can say other than the fact that you can see that the blades are actually painted black. Now, if I can find some paint stripper or anything that'll remove the paint off the blades and stuff, I will gladly be more than happy to do that stuff. But until then, the blade's gonna have to actually stay like this until I actually find some paint remover that can all remove the paint off these blades and stuff. And then as you can see that it also got that shield design on the motor housing and stuff with the Victorian badge and stuff. And it features a forward and reverse pull chain switch. No, I'm tripping. It features a forward and a reverse switch and a 3-speed pull chain switch. And the light kit you see on this fan is original. But this pull chain happens to be a replacement pull chain. But if I can actually get this light kit to actually be fixing all that stuff, as long as the wires are not brittle, then I'm fine with fixing the light kit and stuff without having to change the socket. So other than that, it ain't really much I have to say. So this is Ray Nizzle. I forgot to show this part right there. This is Ray Nizzle, known as Ray Nizzle 1999 on TikTok, known as Ray Nizzle on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. My name is Rayshawn Willis, signing out this video, and I am out. Oh, and P.S. I forgot to mention that the ceiling fan only work on medium. So I believe that it's a capacitor issue. So that's something I'm going to have to check out and stuff. So I'm about to go on and get off this video. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I am out.